After a long weekend of camping, the last thing you want to do is spend another 20 minutes wrestling with a cover or climbing up on the roof with a bottle of sealant. You just want to park it, unpack, and relax. But if your RV lives outside, in the driveway, beside the house, or in an open lot, the sun, rain, and time start working on it the minute you stop. Paint fades, seals dry out, and small leaks turn into big repairs. The good news is, protecting your RV doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. In fact, a lot of these things can be done right at the campsite while you're still enjoying the weekend. A quick wipe here, a spray there, just a few minutes of care before you head home can make your life a whole lot easier down the road. In this video, we're keeping it simple. 5 proven tricks and smart products that'll keep your rig looking sharp and lasting longer without adding a bunch of work to your weekend. 1. Fight the sun, not just the rain. The sun is the biggest threat to your RV. More than water, more than dirt, and more than anything else. UV light cooks sealants, fades decals, and breaks down fiberglass over time. The fix is simple: block the rays. A good breathable RV cover makes a huge difference, even if you only use it during the hottest months. Look for one that's UV resistant, vented, and fitted to your rig's shape so it won't flap in the wind. If a full cover feels like overkill, even partial protection helps. Use tire covers, reflective window panels, or a temporary shade sail stretched over the roof. And if you want something longer lasting, apply a ceramic or polymer sealant to your paint and roof. It lasts way longer than wax and blocks both UV and acid rain. Finish it off by conditioning your slide seals, awnings, and roof seams every few months with a UV protectant rubber treatment. It takes 5 minutes and it keeps rubber parts from turning brittle and cracking. 2. Keep water out. Most RV damage starts with a single drip. A pinhole leak around a vent or clearance light can ruin a ceiling faster than you'd think. So twice a year, give your roof and seams a quick inspection. You don't need to be a pro. Just look for cracks, loose edges, or sealant that's turning chalky. Use self-leveling lap sealant on the roof and non-sag sealant on vertical seams. If you're resealing a fixture, replace that cheap gray putty tape with marine-grade butyl tape. It stays flexible in heat and cold. Add gutter spout extensions while you're up there. They cost a few bucks and keep dirty water from streaking down your sidewalls. The whole process takes maybe 30 minutes twice a year, and it can save you from a $1,000 repair bill later. 3. Stop rust and corrosion early. The metal underneath your RV is out of sight and out of mind, until it isn't. Moisture, road salt, and even morning dew can start corroding jacks, steps, and the frame. Once or twice a year, spray everything metal underneath with a corrosion inhibitor like Fluid Film, Bow Shield, or Corrosion X. They leave a thin protective coating that repels water without turning sticky. Add a little dielectric grease to your trailer plug and battery terminals to prevent corrosion there too. And here's a small but powerful trick. Rinse the undercarriage once in a while, especially if you've been near the coast or driven on treated roads. Salt loves to hide in corners, and a quick rinse keeps it from eating through paint or steel. 4. Protect everything that sits still. Even parked, your RV's moving parts are aging, quietly. Hinges stiffen, jacks seize, and tires dry rot from the bottom up. Use a dry silicone lubricant on all hinges, locks, stabilizers, and slides. Unlike grease, it won't collect dirt or dust. Keep your tires inflated to spec and off bare ground. Set them on boards or pavers to prevent moisture wicking up through the rubber, and shade them with covers or even a light tarp if that's what you have. And here's one you don't think about. Lift your wiper blades off the windshield. A couple of small foam blocks under each blade keeps them from baking into the glass and cracking at the hinge. These tiny habits stop aging before it starts. 5. Defend against the environment. Nature never clocks out. Rodents, insects, and even small birds love RVs that sit still. Start with mesh vent screens. For your fridge, furnace, and water heater vents, they keep wasps and mice from building nests. Seal openings under your rig with steel wool and expanding foam, and toss a few peppermint oil pouches or fresh cab packs in each storage bay. Keep the area around your RV clear of tall grass and clutter. It removes cover for critters and improves airflow underneath. And depending on your climate, go one step further. In cold regions, skirting keeps wind and snow from hammering your undercarriage. In hot zones, a shade sail or lightweight canopy can drop surface temps by 20 degrees and protect seals from constant sun. Outdoor exposure doesn't have to destroy your RV, but it will if you ignore it. A few hours of protection each season adds years to your RV's life and keeps it looking good when it's time to hit the road again. If you've got your own outdoor protection hack, drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got a full cleaning and maintenance episode coming up that'll show you the right way to wash and seal your rig for long-term shine. Until then, I'm Michael, and this is RV Pro Hacks. See you next time.